Kusagi, kusuga ang tingog. Sige.
So, good afternoon, our panelists, sir. We are here in your plan to present our study. Before we that, I introduce ourselves. My name is Yari Pagdasol.
My name is Ronald G. Carlos.
Okay na na. Okay, go.
Our introduction. In Beijing, China, academic accomplishment is a key metric for economically students, performance, and
Beijing,
educational
tama.
attainment. As a result, we conducted a meta-analysis of the relationship between economic status and academic success. 150,649 students from various countries. Our statement of the problem. There is a significant relationship of the economic status and academic achievement among the senior high school student of the Republic National High School. Our hypothesis. There is no significant relationship of the economic status and academic achievement among the senior high school student of the Republic National High School. The significance of the study. Our school administrator,
58 students. Ang na-answer na namin is 44 na students. Sa grade 12, overall, 65 students. Then ang na-answer na namin is 52 students. Total of overall na student is 153 students.
100.
23.